Hello everyone. I think you are well. Today we discuss our chi-square test with Excel. We know chi-square test. We want to check the association. We used chi-square test. For this association test, we use two null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis means there is no association, and alternative hypothesis means there is an association. If null hypothesis is less than if p value is less than 0.05, then it will be reject null hypothesis, and p value is greater than 0.05, and it's accept null hypothesis. Now at first we find out that our data set, there is an observed data set in our we found out it's about use pivot table. I can say this kind of pivot table use column, this kind of pivot table, and now we in our data set female 20 এবং male 22, and Chittagong, Dhaka এবং Chittagong, Dhaka, Khulna and Rajshahi is 4358. This is our observed below. How you can find out observed accepted below from observed below is row total in multiply column total divided by grand total. Here 5 row total, and here 5 we find out this row total 20 multiply column total and divided by grand total. Similar for this Dhaka row total column total grand total. Then we find out this is our you use this function, we find out our expected value. Now we use observed value minus expected value and power 2 and divided by expected value. This is use here, and I can find out this is observed value 4 minus 5 power 2 divided by 5. Similarly 4 I can do 4 minus 5. Similar 5. Okay. Use this is, and now we go to our p below sum of this, then find out degrees of freedom. This means our definition of row minus 1 into column minus, there is row 2 minus 1 into column 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 3, and sum and 3. Then find out degrees of freedom. Chi-square dot distribution dot rt, then degrees of freedom, then use chi-square test below and degrees of freedom. Then it is our p below, and p below is greater than 0.05. That means we accept null. Null means no association. That is our accept, and accept when we accept null. No, there is no association. In this video, it is very short video. If you want to know the explanation this short video, then please come here, please go to comment and click and comment your motive, comment your what you want to know in my next video. And thank you everyone again. Thank you. Thank you and thank you.